I have my granddaughter here. She's doing animation and motion graphics, yes.
My daughter is here. Her name is Lucy Nicole Wanjiko. She studies video production.
My son is in the 4th semester doing graphic design. Well, to be honest, I didn't even know about ADMI. It is him who found out that the course he wanted to pursue is being offered here. So he came home and told us, and as parents, we came over to find out what really it's all about. And that's when now we enrolled him to take the course.
She has studied in 2 universities. For her, she felt that she wasn't getting the support that she wanted in terms of skills, because the 2 universities mostly was theory. So I asked her to go to look for a college where she feels her passion is. So she found ADMI, they supported her. She's been here like 1 month, she's very happy. And so long as she's happy, I'm also happy. Yeah, I can see a lot of change in her. Yes, and she loves what she's doing. Yeah.
At first I thought maybe he's not going to make it, but as I look at what he's doing now and the focus, and even the way he could wake up and do his things from the starting is different from now to now. He's now really serious, and I could tell he's very happy about the school, and even me, I really get to understand it was a good thing for him to choose to be in ADMI, because he's the one who looked for the school through his friend.
ADMI is the first institution. I've got all the children who have done degrees in universities and all that. This is the first time I've interacted with lecturers who are not lecturers. They're entrepreneurs and professionals in their field, but they are lecturing the students in what they do in the field.
In this world that we live in, some parents force their kids to do some courses that their hearts are not into. A child will be forced to do a course and say, I'm doing this for my parents, but after I'm through with this, I'm going to pursue my own line that I'm passionate about. So let parents let their children follow their dream and their passion and what they really enjoy doing.
This is the best place to bring your child. If he's indeed to pursue for any of these courses, they will never be disappointed. For me, I'm so glad for this school.
What I would advise other parents, the way I advised myself, find time to understand what is this a child wants. These days we have Google, we have these all sorts of search engines. Try to learn to understand what is this that the child is talking about. Don't fix your mind in medicine, teaching, lawyer, and those sorts of things. The world has changed globally. People think in terms of technology, IT, AI, all these things. We must get ourselves involved in that. I must confess, I also use the AI software, for letter writing, the ChatGPT. So basically, we need to go with the flow and support our children in whatever they want to do in that direction. We don't need to stick with the old ways of doing things. We must think outside the box. And for me, I've learned that, and I will encourage other parents. ADMI is where to be because they think outside the box.